catching cats. Meow. Say it again, Dad. You gotta say it louder than that, Dad. What you doing?
I'm trying to catch that motherfucker. I ain't trying to let him go.
We got it. Meow. He ain't right there, Dad.
Yeah,
You tearing up the whole house pulling that.
damn, they can't see out though. I got that goddamn white piece for.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Why you gotta come out right there?
You just laying him.
Land my motherfucking ass. Get your big ass down. Fuck you talking about?
I got the light.
I got a goddamn flash.
All right, there you gonna blame me.
Well, then fuck that. I don't know goddamn mama can't jump on my ass down.
That gonna scratch your
That's
ass.
the motherfucker.
That gonna scratch your ass up.
They gonna scrape my ass up. Oh yeah, right here.
You just laying here like bodybuilder. You ain't doing nothing.
That boy way down there.
That's what I think too, Dad. This where he at.
Boy.
Not here. Boy, I'm so scared. I don't know what to do, Dad. I'm scared.
This your goddamn.
That ain't my job. I'm scared.
No, this your job. Bring that to me. I catch it from me. Now you got to say it better than that. No, loud. No.
Man,
loud.
look, Dad. You gotta say something. You do it. Say it, Dad.
No.
I'm saying so I can get it. I'm taking some light.
Go on, man.
Dad, I can't get under here.
Go in the front, fool. What the hell you going down low for?
In
That's
the-
stupid right there.
In the Bible, you ain't supposed to about no fool anyway.
Well, you hear the fool do that.
If this thing jump on me, I don't know what I'm gonna
You
do.
better watch that goddamn pipe laying right there. See that pipe laying?
I'm so tired of this mother. Tired of it. Was that him?
That's tiger in that motherfucker.
Oh, I thought that was damn cat. Meow. I'm so scared. I don't know.
I'm fucking scared too.
Huh?
Me and you both scared in this motherfucker. Only for snakes and every goddamn thing.
Ooh, that's snake here. This is always.
I already know.
Your dick or everything, nothing gonna grow.
No, I don't think all them damn ambulance. You add it through. That's all I can tell you. Look at this shit. Start hitting.
Hit what?
And with all that damn me on hit. That mother talking about damn back nine shit. I swear to God, boy. Shit every goddamn. Look at all this shit.
That's him so funny.
Shit. Nah, this shit ain't funny to me.
Ah! Meow! Oh! Oh, what they? Oh, no, man.
Boy, you quit that shit.
I thought that was a snake or something.
I'm gonna come out from under this.
Me too. I don't know where it's at.
Motherfucker.
And we catch him. And we catch him, then we'll have to get him.
I'm gonna walk a little bit more. God,
Stop.
just a little bit more.
I feel like I'm on the animal.
Bomb.
I feel like I'm in Animal Planet. Meow. Say it, Dad. When you come out. Meow. Man, that damn girl, kiss a kid. You saying got her. Meow.
No, you run the motherfucker out. That way you gone for.
They gone?
No, cause you damn mouth. You gonna run the mouth.
Man, we don't never find that cat, bro.
That spider web's all for
I
you.
swear. No, it's big. What them big spiders is? Anaconda, not anaconda. Or something. He gotta be in that hole right there.
I know it.
Tiger, y'all heard, Tiger? Tiger ass ain't good for nothing, just eat.
I can scared of goddamn kid.
Big as he is, he's gay.
Scared of motherfucker now. On the sun. Boy, this day.
Man, come on, kid, come out, wherever you are. Meow. Meow. Man, we might have to get on out of here, come on from under here. Cause
If the mama don't bring that motherfucker. I don't see it.
we might have to come back again and try again later on, okay?
Now here we want the mama to get him man. I'm through. Motherfucker.
You wanna sit down?
Shut this motherfucker down. I don't give a damn.
All right.
You get out of here.
The mission failed. We didn't catch the cat. What you gotta say, Dad?
Huh?
What you gotta say? We didn't catch the cat.
If the mamma don't get him out there here now,
Meow.
okay, he can meal now. You go get your ass up on there.
Uh-uh,
I ain't going on.